Hey guys and dolls, and welcome into another video. My name is Jason and today I'm going to be going through some of our plays because our watch list today is having a much better day. As you can see up here on my screen, the markets are looking much greener and much healthier. We did have a lot of selling off in the last few days, which I did say is normal. Our AQB video I have just launched, so do be sure to check it out. Again, it does look like we are touching that support on the RSI and we have started to see a little bit of bullish momentum, which is going to be great for us hopefully in the long term. So guys, one of the plays that I do want to start talking to you guys about today is actually going to be all the way down at the bottom on my watch list, and that stock is going to be Workhorse. But before I start talking about that, if you are new, then do me a big favor. Go down and smash the like button and hit that big red subscribe button below, because I would love to have you on this journey with me where we make money together. We have been absolutely smashing it on this channel, and today I want to talk about the ticker symbol WKHS. Now guys, I did release a video about 2 or 3 days ago and it was called my top 5 EV stocks. So if you have not seen that video already, then I would recommend it. I will link it above now, so do be sure to check it out. Now, technically speaking, our Workhorse play has actually just touched that 100 on the SMA. You can see that we did actually start to become oversold on the RSI, just like I had pointed out on that video, and we are now retracing back to that 50 on the RSI. So I am expecting some nice momentum. If we can break through this layer of the 21 EMA and we can go full ball and touch that 50 on the SMA, and we can break those levels of about $36, then I do believe that we will be back on our uptrend with Workhorse. So that is going to be pretty nice, and you can see that we are sitting up about almost 10% on the day. So congratulations to anyone that did catch that play when I had pointed it out 2 days ago when we did have that gigantic sell-off. I did draw up this support and I had loaded my boat as soon as we did actually retrace all the way back to about that $30 zone. So guys, I'm very happy to tell you that I am now built out in my position in Workhorse, and I can't wait to see this price target be hit. I do have a nice price target on Workhorse by the end of the year, anywhere around that $50 to $60 zone. And if they do get that UPS contract, guys, then we are going to see a nice push quite quickly in that share price, and we are going to re-break those highs of about $42 to $44. So I am looking forward to holding this one in my portfolio over the next couple of months. The next stock I want to talk to you guys about is our RIDE. As you guys know, I'm very bullish on our RIDE stock, which is RIDE for LORDSTOWNMOTORS, as you can see up here. Now guys, we did actually retrace down very similar to Workhorse. We did have a big sell-off and it does have very similar momentum. Now guys, you can see that we have started to turn around and we have in fact touched that 200 on the SMA. So this one did actually get beat down very hard, and I am looking forward to a nice push back up in that share price. Hopefully we will retest that 50 on the RSI, breakthrough, and then have a bit of consolidation up near the top to retest those highs of about $30 to $32. So that will be something to look forward to over the coming weeks ahead. So if you did catch that one, then do let me know below in the comments, because I love hearing from each and every one of you. Now, one of our plays that I would like to talk to you about that is down a considerable amount is SNDL. As I did say, anywhere below that $2 zone, I will start to load my boat up, and especially if we do have a break below that $1.60 zone, that is when I will start to build out my full position. As you guys can see, we have actually touched that 100 on the SMA, which is around that $1.30 mark. Again, this is exactly where we do have a full line of support. As you can see, we have tested it many times right here as I'm drawing for you now on the screen. So I am expecting this one to have a small curl around soon to retest that 50 on the RSI and then break above to hopefully retest. Now this does actually have a lot of short on it right now as a stock, so I am expecting there to be another short squeeze in the future as soon as we do get some legalization and some more news articles about the MJ sector. Again, as the legalization does come into effect this year, I do believe that with any type of good news on this sector, this stock will move in an upwards direction. So I am looking forward to it. Now I have a price prediction set anywhere above that $3 to about that $5.50 range. So I am looking forward to holding this one throughout the year of 2021. And I am about built up now in my full position. So again, there may be some volatility and some noise, which I will ignore over these next few weeks. But I do see this going up much higher than $2 to $3 in the long term throughout the course of this year. So this is a stock that I am loading up on right now. and I'm excited for this penny stock. So guys, make sure again to do all of your own due diligence and research, because this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I can only tell you what I am doing with my money, and this is for educational purposes only. But this is a penny stock, so if you are going to load the boat on SNDL, again with penny stocks, I only like to build them up to about 3 to 5% of my position if I am very bullish on them. If I'm not so bullish, then I will only do about half to about 2%. So that is just some information for you guys to learn as you start to invest. I do like to have fun in those penny stocks. And just before I talk about our last stock, guys, I do want to bring up on the screen our ALPP. Again, that stock has now started to fly back up. We have loaded the boat around that $6.20. So congratulations if you are catching these plays. I do have a double-digit price target on ALPP in the coming months ahead. As soon as we do get news of that NASDAQ uplisting, then I do believe that we are going to see a nice push in this share price. So this is one of my favorite stocks right now that I am loading up on, and I have now built out my full position. Again, I have been loading up on ALPP since it was in that $2 to $3 range. Once we did hit these highs of $9, I did actually sell 75% of my position, and then now that we've had that pullback, I have started to reload into another full position. So that is just some news and updates on the ALPP stock. And the last stock that I want to mention to you guys is our PLTR. Now, I haven't mentioned this one before on my channel. This is Palantir Technologies. Now, ARK Invest are actually buying this stock up over the last 24 to 48 hours. They have actually been loading up their boats, and so I do want to point out that we do actually have a nice layer of resistance right here around this $28 zone to the $30 zone. So if we do in fact break through this, then we will start to retest those highs of about $35 to $37. So this leaves us a plenty room for upside. Now, what I'm personally doing with this is I started to load up on this yesterday, seeming as we did have a gigantic sell-off from about $45, and this stock has gone down about 100%. I do think this has been an overreaction, guys, and again, Palantir are actually in the space of security and intelligence, and they are working with big government sectors and huge institutions like the NHS in England. So I am excited to hold this one. This is a new play for me, and I do have a $50 price target on Palantir moving throughout into the summer of this year, which will see us a 2x position in the next 6 months. Now, whether this happens or not, I do really hope it does, but this company have so much room to grow, and they could easily smash that $50 price target and go way higher, all depending on what contracts they land throughout this year. Now, this is a stock that I am loading up on, like I said, around that $25 zone. So if we do have any pullbacks below that $28 or $27, then this could be a nice stock to watch and throw on your radar. So guys, my bonus pick was the Palantir stock for you guys today. I hope that you have a lovely weekend ahead. If you did find any value in this video, then be sure to go down there and smash that like button for me. And if you got this far, then do hit that big red subscribe button, because I would love to have you on this journey where we make money together. I will see you guys back on my channel after this weekend for some new content on investing. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys back on my channel soon. Ciao!